No shift now.
I don't understand.
You know I like lying down here.
Chinenye, space now.
But you know I like lying down here because of the child, and this is always where I'm lying. Then you need to lie on this side. No, stop now. But you know that if you see that it's lying down your sleep,
Chinenye, look at the whole space here now. Can't you lie down there? Like, but can't you see that I'm doing something?
If I talk now, some people go open mouth while they say why they talk, say it's family issue, stuff like that, blah blah blah. In as much as I do love this family, but if I see waiting, I know like I go talk am. If this is not content, waiting Chinenye do for this video now, omo I no like am. Why will you be talking to your elder sister like that? It doesn't make sense. Make I play the video, make una hear exactly what Chinenye tell Sonia Uche for this particular video.
And you met me here. If you want to stay, you can stay here or you can stay there. If you want to charge your phone, you can use your power bank.
If I use my power bank, not that there's a, how can I use my power bank when there's no when there is no like busy power bank. You like doing this one. When I like see no Sonia saying when you're working sometimes, I know you like using this position. I don't like going to that place at all because I know you like using it. But you know this video I like staying because of my phone and how I play it and be using it. So those shifts let me just stay where I used to stay.
So why can't you stay here or there?
Because the phone has to be
you just have too much problem. I mean, I'm not starting off. You're fond of doing this. Somebody will be on a particular place. You will come. You tell the person, this is where you are lying down. You're good. This is where.
Sonia, you know that here. Sonia, let me tell you the truth. You know that everybody has somewhere they like staying. You now, because I know where you like that, I don't even used to go there at all because I don't want you to come and tell me, oh, this is it, what is it. Just like when we used to do our makeup, like when we do makeup to the kitchen. I remember there's one day we did it, we don't started doing your makeup. You saw you looking at me like that. I'm seeing it. You don't started doing your makeup, we used to do your makeup here. Because I don't want any stress. Even when I have my back face, I will always go here. But you, if me, I start my makeup here. If you want me to go here, you will not come and sit in that place I used to do my makeup every morning. But you cannot tell you, oh, Sonia, shift your position. That's why
even this thing you did it the other day, I just quietly, if you watched me that day, I did not even say any word to you.
Which day?
That's Ijoma's window place. Were you the first person that started doing makeup?
That's what I'm saying.
Wait. When the first person that started doing makeup there? No, I was the first person.
Yes.
But that day, I was doing my makeup there. You were like, Sonia, I'm going to do my makeup. I won't talk to you. But me that started doing it, don't I have right to tell you, Chinenye? This is where I started doing my makeup. But wait now, but you started doing makeup there. You've colonized it. It's now your place of doing makeup. Now, this bed, Chinenye, did they write your name on this bed?
I have not colonized it.
Did they write your name on this bed?
You've spoken. Let me speak. See, when we started that place, that makeup place, if you start, let me say like it's the when we started. It's you that started doing your makeup there. You get every morning. If it's 5 days or 8 days, every morning you're going there. I don't even like the stress. I would just say, okay, since you're gonna start your makeup, that means you would like to be sitting here every morning. If we start another job, sometimes you go on a whole day break. Sometimes say one job I'm doing might be glamour, you might be doing a village makeup, and village job, so you don't have to do makeup. Then me, I will go there and sit down and do the makeup. Maybe a job that maybe I'm not doing together. If I start my makeup there, like if you have a part first, and I mean sit down there first once they do my makeup, you don't know that's the place I like. That's what I'm saying here. Chinenye, what I'm saying is that have you ever been on a particular place? I tell you, Chinenye, stand on this. Like this thing, she's fond of doing this here all the time. Like, no, it's not funny, Joma. Like somebody will be on this place, she will come, stand up. This is like, did they write your name here?
Abeg, Mommy Uche Nancy, come and settle this one, cause me, I no like this thing.